For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a hotshot trucking business can be a lucrative venture if planned and executed properly. Hotshot trucking involves using smaller trucks to transport time-sensitive loads, often delivering to clients faster and more flexibly than traditional freight companies. Artificial intelligence, AI, can greatly assist in streamlining many steps of starting and growing this business. This step-by-step guide explains how to leverage AI tools to help you start your hotshot trucking business efficiently. Step 1. Understand the hotshot trucking industry. Before diving in, research the hotshot trucking industry to understand what it entails, the market demand, types of loads commonly hauled, and how hotshot differs from traditional freight trucking. Use AI-powered research tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard for quick, thorough industry overviews. Example AI prompt for research. Explain the hotshot trucking business model, common challenges, and current market trends. Step 2. Define your business model and niche. Decide your business scope, types of freight you will haul, geographic area you'll serve, and whether you will operate as an independent contractor or grow a fleet. Identifying a niche, e.g., agricultural equipment, construction materials, can help differentiate your services. Use AI for market analysis to spot underserved niches. Tools like Crayon or SimilarWeb can provide competitive intelligence, while ChatGPT can help you brainstorm niche ideas. Example AI prompt. Analyze the hotshot trucking market in your region/state. Suggest profitable niches based on current demand and competition. Step 3. Create a detailed business plan. A solid business plan guides your operations, funding, and marketing. AI tools can help you draft a professional plan quickly. Use ChatGPT or business plan generators like LivePlan or BizPlan Builder integrated with AI to create sections such as executive summary, market analysis, operational plan, financial projections, marketing strategy. Example AI prompt. Create a business plan outline for a hotshot trucking startup focusing on regional freight delivery in Florida. Step 4. Register your business and obtain necessary permits. Choose your business structure, LLC, sole proprietorship, etc., and register your company. Then, obtain required licenses and permits, such as a commercial driver's license, CDL, motor carrier authority, MC number, DOT number, and others. Use AI-powered legal assistants like LegalZoom's AI tools or Do Not Pay to streamline registrations and paperwork. Example AI prompt. List the legal requirements and steps to register a hotshot trucking business in Texas. Step 5. Purchase or lease your truck and equipment. Select a reliable truck, typically a pickup with a flatbed or gooseneck trailer suitable for hotshot freight. New or used vehicles can be found online. AI can assist by analyzing vehicle price trends, maintenance costs, and reviews. Use AI tools like CarGurus or AutoTrader with AI filters to find the best deals. For maintenance planning, use AI-powered fleet management apps like Samsara or Keep Truckin'. Example AI prompt. Compare the best pickup trucks for hotshot trucking based on fuel efficiency, load capacity, and cost. Step 6. Set up your pricing and payment systems. Pricing your services competitively is critical. Use AI tools that analyze market rates and help with pricing strategy, such as FreightWave Sonar or DET RateView. AI can also help automate invoicing and payment tracking through platforms like QuickBooks with AI features or FreshBooks. Example AI prompt. Suggest competitive pricing strategies for hotshot trucking services in the southeastern U.S. Step 7. Develop your marketing plan and find clients. Marketing is essential for gaining clients. AI tools can generate marketing plans, content, and social media posts to attract customers. Use ChatGPT to draft emails, proposals, and social media content. Employ AI-driven CRM tools like HubSpot or Zoho CRM to manage leads and client communication. Use AI ad tools like Facebook Ads Manager AI suggestions or Google Ads Smart Campaigns to reach target audiences. Example AI prompt. Create a 3-month digital marketing plan to attract small businesses needing HotShot Trucking services. Step 8. Implement route planning and logistics management. Efficient route planning reduces costs and improves delivery times. Use AI-powered GPS and route optimization software, such as Route For Me, Google Maps AI, or Samsara to plan best routes dynamically. Example AI prompt. Optimize routes for daily hotshot freight deliveries covering 5 cities in a 300-mile radius. Step 9. Manage finances and track performance. Use AI-driven accounting tools to automate bookkeeping, tax filing, and financial analysis. Platforms like QuickBooks AI, Xero, or Wave can simplify money management. AI analytics tools can track performance metrics such as fuel consumption, delivery times, and profitability. This insight helps refine operations. Example AI prompt. Generate monthly financial reports for a HotShot Trucking business and highlight cost-saving opportunities. Step 10. Scale your business. Once stable, consider expanding your fleet, hiring drivers, or diversifying freight types. AI-powered HR tools like Breezy HR or Workable can help recruit drivers efficiently. Use AI for ongoing market research to spot new opportunities. Example AI prompt. Suggest growth strategies for a HotShot Trucking business with 3 trucks operating in the southeastern U.S. Summary of relevant AI tools. ChatGPT/Google Bard. Research, content creation, business plan drafting, marketing copy. Crayon/SimilarWeb. Market and competitor analysis. LegalZoom AI/Do Not Pay. Legal registrations and compliance help. CarGurus/AutoTrader. Vehicle research with AI filters. Samsara/Keep Truckin'. Fleet management and maintenance planning. FreightWaves Sonar/DAT RateView. Freight pricing analysis. QuickBooks AI/FreshBooks. Financial management and invoicing. HubSpot/Zoho CRM. Customer relationship management. Facebook Ads Manager AI/Google Ads Smart Campaigns. Advertising optimization. Route For Me/Google Maps AI. Route planning. Breezy HR/Workable. Recruiting. Example combined prompt for ChatGPT at the start of your business journey. Help me create a detailed business plan for starting a HotShot Trucking company in Texas, including market analysis, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. Also, provide a checklist of licenses and permits I need to operate legally. Starting a HotShot Trucking business with AI support can significantly reduce guesswork and time spent on planning and management. By leveraging AI tools for research, operations, marketing, and finance, you increase your chances of building a successful, scalable business. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.